With inflation rising and people worried about their finances, transparency and trust are two important things to have with your bank. Here to talk about some benefits in banking with Clark County Credit Union is Director of Business Development, Craig Fraley. Hi, Craig. Welcome to the Morning Blend.
Thank you, Jessica. Good to see you.
Wonderful to have you. So we mentioned inflation and the worry people have when it comes to their finances. Talk to us about some smart ways we can put our money to work.
Sure. When we talk about putting your money to work, we're talking about earning interest off of deposits. And when money's tight and you need access to your funds, it might be intimidating to think about using an investment account. So a great option is to use a high yield checking account. This is the account that you use to pay your bills. It's your spending account. And if you use a high yield checking account, you can potentially grow your money every month while you're managing your day-to-day expenses. And at Clark County Credit Union, we have one of the highest checking yield accounts in the nation.
Now, you mentioned high yield. So what does that mean exactly when it comes to a high yield checking account?
Yeah, we're excited to announce what this means is that this account pays 4.07 APY. That's the highest interest rate that we have seen locally and even nationally. This is a subscription-based account that comes with exclusive member perks. And with 4% on the interest rate, you can actually make money on this account every month when you meet certain circumstances.
Now, we know it's something that you guys offer, but talk to us a bit about why that's important to people when they're banking.
Well, when you're banking, you want to make, especially if you're looking for investments, you want to make as much money as you can on your deposit dollars. And this is the highest yield checking account in the country. So this is the one account that you could use. And this could be the account you use, like I said, for your day-to-day business and still make money on this account. So it's a great option to use if you're looking to make money with your money.
Now, how can someone open or upgrade to a bonus checking account?
Yeah, and let me tell you that this is we call it our bonus checking account. And let me give you a couple of the really cool perks on this. One is that it comes with complete identity theft protection, credit monitoring. It protects every member of your family for those items. It also comes with cell phone protection, up to 4 devices per household. It gives you extra protection on large retail purchases. All of this comes with this account. And the way you can get this account is you can visit us at ccculv.org or give us a call at 702-228-2228 or stop into one of our branches. Any way you want to reach us, you can.
Absolutely. Now, Craig, I'm really interested in what I'm about to ask because I do think a lot of people aren't sure if a credit union is for them. So do you have any advice for someone who still isn't quite sure or doesn't know yet that they want to make that switch from maybe a traditional bank to a credit union bank? And what are, aside from that high yield checking account or bonus checking accounts you've talked about, what are some positives as well that, you know, are offered when you switch from a traditional to a credit union bank?
The big difference here is how we're run. Banks are owned by shareholders. Every decision a bank makes is for the benefit of the shareholder. Clark County Credit Union, we're owned by our membership, and we are not for profit. So every decision we make is for the benefit of our members, which means at the end of the year when we make a profit, it doesn't go to the board of directors, it doesn't go to the CEO, it goes back to the members. Every year our members receive a bonus dividend. That's their share of profit from the preceding year. That said, that's one of the biggest differences between Clark County Credit Union, other credit unions, and banks. So it's a great place to bank.
Wow, that is wonderful. Now, what are some of maybe feedback you could tell us? I mean, from someone who says, oh, I've been, banking with some of these bigger banks and now I've switched over to you guys. What's some of that feedback that you've seen of just what their experience has been like?
I get that feedback a lot because I do benefit fairs, new hire orientations, and I have people who will tell me, hey, I used to bank with XYZ Bank. They were charging me this much for my car loan. They refied it with us. There was no fee to refi it. They got a better rate, got a better payment. They'll get it paid off faster. I hear those kind of stories a lot. We also have a program called Members Auto, which is our own. We're a licensed car dealership. We're the only financial institution in the state that is. So we actually find cars for people at a great rate. We can do new, used, trade-ins. So our members never have to haggle with a car dealer at all. It's a great place to bank. And I hear people all the time tell me, "Oh, you guys gave me a great deal on a car. You got me out of a bad deal with a bank. You got me to a better deal with you." So yeah, I hear those kind of stories all the time.
Well, Craig, thank you so much for joining us this morning, really giving us some insight there. I know that this is a topic that a lot of people are considering, so thank you for that.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having us on the show, Jessica.
Of course, for more information on Clark County Credit Union, visit ccculv.org.